Aloha class. Again, thank you very much for taking this class. Now I would like to cover what the assignments are for this course. Let me just give you a brief overview. In this class, as you can see, we will be doing 10 journals throughout the semester. These journals will be a response to topics that I will have on the syllabus. These are journals that you are just going to reflect on. Informal writing, and it will be 2 pages double-spaced. And they will be answering questions from your own personal perspective. They are not papers or essays, but just your own, from your heart, what you think on topics like what you would like to get out of the class, what personal peace means to you, things like that. So for specifics of the week, you may go to the assignment sheet in your syllabus. In addition, we will be writing 3 essays. 3 essays. This will be formal writing. And in these essays, we will cover 3 areas. The first will cover what is an element of personal peace. You will select an element and write what it means. In this case, you will be a teacher trying to teach what the topic or element of personal peace means to you and what we can do to highlight our lives with this particular element. An element of personal peace could be something like finding calmness, being hopeful, and writing about how we can learn to become hopeful. Another area that we will be working on, because this is an O designation, focus designation, is the oral presentations. These oral presentations will be linked to the essays. The essays will form the basis of the content for your oral presentations, and your presentations will be about 5 minutes, and you will record it and send it to each other as well as to me at our personal peace email. So do not fear, these oral presentations are part of the topic of the essay, but please do not read the essay. Written assignment and oral presentations are 2 separate modes of getting information across to someone else. One is written, and so it is meant to be read. The other is oral, communicating orally. So you will need to, for the oral presentation, select what are the important points and speak from it. Please do not read. You may use a small note card for your notes, but just talk to us about what that topic is. The second oral presentation and essay will relate to ethical decision making, how you make ethical decisions. And then the third will be stories of hope and inspiration. Now, in addition to those things, we will be doing 4 reflections. The reflection would be about 1 page, double-spaced, responding to certain things like your leadership in meditation, how you did the leadership in organizing for the meditation, what that means. And it's also the forgiveness letter, how you would forgive someone. And then response to stretches, topics like that. They are also included in the syllabus. And then we have activities. Activities We have a variety of activities to do, and they will include you taking a photo or video to demonstrate what you have done related to these activities. Because to learn personal peace, it's not enough to just read about it and just listen to lectures, but you need to experience that. So please remember that we will have activities, but also every day is a way to practice personal peace for your own development. Please remember that this course is for you. It's not for someone else or for just a grade. You will benefit greatly by practicing these elements of personal peace, practicing personal peace in your daily life. And to assist you in the learning process, we have learning logs. This is a guide for yourself that after the class you may refer to. In other terms, it may be like your notes. But we're asking you to, on a weekly basis, to submit your learning logs, what you have learned for that week, based on your readings, your assignments, your experiences in life, and your practice of personal peace. So we're saying it's approximately about 50 complete sentences, 50 complete sentences. You can write it in the essay form or on a list. What you are learning of that week. Then finally, we are asking you to do a PowerPoint as a concluding assignment for the course. A 7-minute PowerPoint that will discuss what you have learned in the course and what personal peace means to you. You may draw upon your journals, the essays, oral presentations, reflections, activities, and learning logs. And with it, we're asking you to share with the rest of the class what personal peace means to you and how it has influenced your life. So these are the assignments that we will be going through in this course. And more information is in the syllabus. Thank you. If you, at any point, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.